Want to unlock the secret to superpowered organization and smart collections in Shopify? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about managing product tags like a pro. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Product tags are like digital labels for your items. When used strategically, they become the backbone of your store's organization, powering smart collections and improving the customer search experience. Let's master them. First, let's look at how to add tags to a product. You can do this individually by editing any product in your catalog. Scroll down to the Product Tags section. It's usually in the right-hand sidebar. Simply type a tag and press enter. You can add multiple tags to a single product, like summer, bestseller, and cotton. But what if you need to tag many products at once? This is where bulk actions shine. From your main products page, check the boxes next to all the products you want to tag. Then, click Bulk Actions and select Add Tags. You can add the same set of tags to dozens of products in one click, saving you an enormous amount of time. Now, the real power of tags comes from how you use them. The most common use is to fuel your smart collections. Remember our last video? You can create a collection that automatically groups all products tagged sale or new arrival. A crucial pro tip: consistency is key. Create a standard list of tags for your store to avoid duplicates or typos. For example, decide if you'll use sale or on sale and stick to it. This ensures your smart collections work perfectly and your internal search is accurate. To manage all your existing tags, go to your products page and look for the filter menu. You can filter by tag to see all products with a specific label, making it easy to review and update them if needed. And just like that, you've turned simple tags into a powerful organizational system. A little bit of tagging goes a long way for a smooth running store. If this guide helped you get organized, please give it a like. What's your most useful product tag? Share your genius labels in the comments below. For our final tutorial in this series, subscribe for our guide on how to add stunning product images in Shopify. Thanks for watching.